What are you doing? What are you making?
Cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, so what do we have in the bowl already?
Butter.
How many?
2.
2 sticks of butter.
And we got 2 eggs. Do we pour it in now?
Yep, you can pour the 2 eggs in.
Yeah, we're making Christmas treats. We're making chocolate chip cookies, and we're figuring out what we're gonna make after that. We normally do this every year, like within the last week until Christmas, just because we don't want anything to go bad before Christmas.
Oh, and they also get eaten before Christmas.
Yeah.
And then Santa Claus has no.
Yeah. Gotta have cookies for Santa. Alright. After that's all mixed together, we gotta put the flour in what we have right now.
Cookie dough.
Definitely chocolate chip. Mom has been taking over kitchen duty just because she's been in here being ever so lovely making dinner.
Cookies are done.
Mm-hmm.
Lasagna's done.
Mm-hmm.
And I got all the ingredients measured out and ready for the date balls.
And what are date balls, in case I don't know if everyone knows what date balls are.
Probably not. Basically it is the ingredients is dates, which everybody thinks if you look at dates, I don't like eating dates on their own, but dates, chopped dates, sugar, Rice Krispie treats, almond extract, vanilla extract, almonds chopped up, and butter and a little bit of sugar, and you salt, thank you. And then like you melt it down, and eggs. My eggs are over here. I didn't want them sitting on here. Start cooking or something.
Yeah.
So you combine that, and then a bag of coconut. So you combined it, cook it down, and then you roll it up and roll it in coconut. So you put some coconut in the stuff, and then once it's finished cooking, it gets like this gooey, crispy type thing. It's sweet, and then you roll it in coconut, and it's like a ball. So they call it date balls because it's got dates in it.
Guess we're gonna eat and then come back to this.
Yes.
Okay.
The recipe's there, and then you have a certain way to cook
It's
it.
in cursive, so if you screenshot this, good luck. Okay, Mom already mixed them up. That's what it looks like when it's all mixed together. We're getting ready to put the coconut on them and roll them up and all that. Okay, I changed my hoodie because someone got sauce on my white hoodie. We've got the mixture right here. We got coconut in here. This is our plate that we're gonna put it on. So yeah, time lapse.
And just roll it. And just make a ball into coconut.
Yeah.
And then there you go.
Add it to the tray.
Can of tuna fish.
Okay. I just washed my hands, but just like that, we're done. And the extra coconut we tend to just throw away because none of us like coconut.
And it's also gooey and sticky.
Yeah. But if y'all have recipes with coconut, y'all can do that. Well, guys, here we are again. There really wasn't an outro to this video. So, sorry for the low energy. I wasn't feeling good when we started recording this. And yeah, if I do cooking videos in the future, I promise it'll be better than this. But half of the time they started cooking without me, and then they're like, okay, come on, record. It's like, oh, okay. But yeah, that's it for this video. It did end kind of abruptly, but that's just how it is. Yeah, if you like this video, leave a like and leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to try any of these. Like, let me know if you're going to try the date balls, because I think they're really good. I think everyone should try them at least once. If you don't like it, leave a dislike. Let me know what I could do better. And make sure you subscribe and turn on my post notifications, because I don't want you to ever miss when I upload. And yeah, I think that's it. So once again, thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, dislike, subscribe, all of the above. There is 2 more days until Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, which is exciting. I will see you guys whenever I see you. Bye.